Ford F-150, a beast on wheels. When it comes to pickup trucks, one name towers above the rest: the Ford F-150. It's not just a truck, it's a legacy, a symbol of power, reliability, and sheer dominance. Today, we dive into what makes the Ford F-150 not just a vehicle but a lifestyle choice for millions around the globe. The Ford F-150 isn't just built tough, it's built smarter, stronger, and more capable than ever before. With a legacy that stretches over 4 decades, it has been America's best-selling vehicle for more than 40 years. And when you hear why, you'll understand it's no coincidence. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The Ford F-150 offers a range of powertrains designed to suit every need. From the efficient 3.3L TVCT V6 to the powerhouse 5.0L V8, there's an engine for everyone. And for those who want cutting-edge innovation, the hybrid Power Boost V6 combines efficiency with torque that'll leave you speechless. This truck doesn't just promise capability, it delivers. With a towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, the F-150 sets the gold standard in its class. Need to haul heavy loads? Consider it done. Whether it's your boat, camper, or work equipment, the F-150 makes it look easy. Now, let's step inside. The Ford F-150 redefines comfort and convenience. With premium materials, spacious seating, and an intuitive layout, this isn't just a truck, it's a mobile command center. The available 12-inch touchscreen with F-150 technology ensures you stay connected, entertained, and in control, whether you're on a road trip or a job site. Adventure seekers, rejoice! The F-150 is built to conquer every terrain. Equipped with available off-road packages like FX4 and the rugged Raptor trim, it handles mud, snow, rocks, and sand like a pro. And let's not forget the Trail 1 pedal drive, making off-roading simpler and more thrilling than ever. Safety is non-negotiable, and the Ford F-150 takes it seriously. Packed with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist, it's designed to keep you and your loved ones protected on every journey. With a lineup that includes trims like XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, Limited, and the mighty Raptor, the F-150 ensures there's a perfect model for every driver. Whether you need a dependable workhorse or a luxury cruiser, this truck has got you covered. But the Ford F-150 isn't just about features and specs, it's about the stories it creates. It's about families embarking on road trips, workers building dreams, and adventurers chasing horizons. The F-150 isn't just a truck, it's a companion that stands by you every mile of the way. So, if you're looking for power, reliability, and innovation wrapped in one unbeatable package, the Ford F-150 is your ultimate choice. It's not just a truck, it's the legend you can drive. Ford F-150, built Ford tough.